In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Display and Brightness. Now scroll all the way down to tap on Screen Refresh Rate and pick one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Auto Select, which is pretty obvious, it automatically uses the optimal refresh rate. Standard, which is maximum refresh rate of 60. Or High. High uses a refresh rate up to 220 for an optimal visual effect and a smooth experience. It will make your device heat up and increases battery usage, so if you decided to pick this one, keep an eye on your smartphone. Also, if you decided to select High, you can access app-specific refresh rate located at the bottom. Then click on one of your apps and pick refresh rate for it by clicking on the best option for you. When you're done, you need to go back, and as you can see, refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!